How to use noise gate in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Navigate to the sound mastering section under audio editing tools. Then import the audio that you want to apply noise gate for. After that, select the gate option from the available effects. Here you can adjust the max depth and min depth settings to control how the gate responds to your audio. Max depth determines the maximum amount of noise reduction applied, while min depth sets the threshold for quieter sections of the recording. By fine-tuning this, you can ensure that only the desired sounds pass through while unwanted noise is minimized. The real-time preview features allows you to hear how your adjustments affect the audio immediately, making it easy to achieve a clean and balanced sound. Once you are satisfied with the settings, tap Save to apply the noise gate and finalize your recording. Now you know how to use noise gate in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.